Hello foodies! Today we're going to make this tasty chicken parmesan. First things first, let's get a bowl and put 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese plus 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs, some oregano, some thyme, and some garlic powder, and also some cracked pepper. We combine them very well. Next, get another bowl and beat 2 eggs. And get a plate and put some flour. Meanwhile, let's heat oil in a pan. And then we start dredging our chicken fillets into the flour. Then into the egg mixture. And finally into the breadcrumbs. And then we pan fry the fillets. We flip to cook the other side. And once done, we set it aside. Next, we heat oil again in another pan, and then we saute the garlic and the onions. We add some more herbs like parsley and oregano. And here I have this 1 big can of chopped tomatoes. We add a teaspoon of sugar. And then we cover and simmer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we add the chicken to the sauce. And then we cover it again and simmer for 15 minutes more. And we're done. Thank you for watching. Please follow us on our socials. Thank you. Bye.